Hi guys, so you may have just watched or you may have seen that I did my Note 9 unboxing video actually today, this morning. I'd also, in preparation for receiving my Note 9, ordered some cases, which we have just here, from Ringke. Two of them, they actually, at the time, they were only £1 on Amazon. There was like a promo code. I mean, do a Google search. They might still be valid. I'm not sure. I think normally they're $7.99. I'll drop a link, obviously, in the video description down below if you want to give them a go. Now, I have used Ringke before. I'm not really a case kind of guy, if I'm very honest. I'll go with a skin to protect the actual device, and then I'll just try not to drop it. Is my usual strategy. So we have a thank you note that you often see these days. What did I say? Oh, well, no mind. Give me a some, and then we've got I think there's a protective. So it is on the inside, which I thought it was. That's where they've been before. And now it's got to try and. There we go, finally. Glue residue left on the inside. There we go, it fits in quite nicely. Cutouts seem to fit quite well on the back. No problem with the fingerprint sensor. In fact, it makes it a little easier to find. Power button actually feels really nice. It's textured. You see that? Is it going to focus? It's a textured power button. See there it says Fusion X on the one side. Yeah, that all seems quite nice actually. So let's see if we can pop it back. So the corners feel a bit sturdier. I think there's a bit more padding protection in the corners there. So now let's try. So this one has a lanyard, you call it? Handle. All the same gubbins by the looks of it. Move that out of the way. Ringke Onyx. Military grade protection. Drop tested. Interesting. Oh, looks quite nice. Ringke on the edge there. I guess that's where you would put the strap through if you wanted. Well, that does feel very nice, I think. Oh, I like that. I do quite like that. As I say, though, not a case kind of guy, but that does seem quite a nice case. All the buttons seem to sort of line up quite nicely. It's not textured, this power one, but it does stick out quite far. It's quite easy to find. That's a very nice case. We didn't check the S Pen on the other one, but works finey. So yeah, all looks pretty good. So there we go. Two Ringke cases. I'll leave the links in the video description. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. My name's Andy, and I'll catch you all again soon. Well done, and thank you for making it to the end of the video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, you might want to click the little fellow that should hopefully appear about here to subscribe. You may also want to check out some of my other videos, which are going to appear somewhere there. Also, come and have a look at my website, androidandy.uk. There is also a forum. Come and say hello on the forum. If you've got any questions about things or request me to review things or anything else, just come and have a chat on the forum.